Okay, this video is about the Honda HRV tail light. A viewer's just asked the question because he's got a wobbly tail light. Seems to wobble from the bottom. He said his one is on the left hand side, but I've just had the same thing happen on my right hand side, so I'll show you what the problem is. Okay, because here you can see there's a bit of a wobble here. Even though the screws are tightened fully down, still a bit of a wobble. And I'll show you what the cause of that wobble is. So first I'll just undo this, doing it one-handed. Okay, there's only two screws that hold this tail light on, and they're pretty easy to take out. Don't over tighten them, and then just flip your tail light out. There you go. I'll show you what the problem is. See these white pins over, well, now this one's from 2004, so they're quite old and they're brittle, so they can snap off. This one's okay, but it feels a bit brittle. The middle one's okay too. The rubber is brittle on the back. This one's actually lost the rubber altogether. And on the bottom one, you can see it's not even there. That's because, there it is. I'll show you. Get to this side. There it is. So it's snapped off, and that's the reason why you've got the wobble. So you're going to have to pull this out and try and find a new plastic pin. It's completely brittle. It just breaks apart. So pull it out if you can. Undo it. I'll have to do it with a screwdriver. But you need to replace these, and that should fix your wobble. So I don't even think I'll have to go to Halfords or something and try and find a plastic pin, one of these trim pins or plugs, whatever they're called, and replace it. I might replace them all if I can find the right size. They just slide in. They just, here you can see on this one here, they just slide into that slot there, so they should be easy enough to replace. I might just put this middle one at the bottom. That will stop the wobble. There you go. I took the middle one out, and I'll take it down to the bottom. I hope you can see it. Putting the middle one in its place. And that should stop the wobble, but I'll have to remove that one there with pliers or something. I'll have a check. Let's see. Managed to remove it with a piece of metal. And here's the old one. You can see the back of it snapped. And there's the hole it goes in. The rubber's completely perished as well. So chop that away. And as you see, I've replaced the bottom one with. I've put the middle plug onto the bottom, and that should solve the wobble for a while. If there's a top one, but I'll get new ones and replace them all because they're very brittle. This car's from 2004, so that's 22 years old now. Or 2004. Yeah, it's 22 years old, this car. And plastic things tend to get brittle over time. Okay, so let's just push this back in and see if it goes in. See if that will kill the wobble. So align the pins and then push it in. Yeah, that doesn't seem to wobble. So let's just screw these back in and see what it looks like. too tight because you don't want to damage the threading on the pin that holds it in place. So there you go, and there you go, it's not wobbling anymore, so that solved it. But I will be replacing all these white little plugs in future, or pins, whatever you call them. So, thank you for watching. There you go, Honda HRV tail light wobble fix.